The following message has been transmitted at the request of the railway control station at 3:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A blue train has been racing down the tracks going 100 miles per hour. The railway control station has said that it can chase an engine that it sees in its path and can run over someone that is on the tracks. If you see this train, stay far away from the tracks. If you refuse to stay away from the tracks and the train sees you, it will run you over. Stay tuned for more information about this situation.